Hi, and welcome to edition of Moms on the Go Cooking in the Kitchen. Today's going to be a quick recipe. We wanted to make boiled eggs to go with our salad, and we wanted to try and see if there's a way we can make them quickly. So I found a recipe online, and I will put the website that I found in there in the description below. But we're making boiled eggs in the air fryer. So first of all, you have to have your air fryer, and I'm not sure the wattage on my air fryer, but just in case, because they said a couple of people were complaining and putting bad comments or whatever on there because their eggs didn't turn out right, I'm going to try just 2 eggs because I don't like to waste food. And I'm going to try 2 eggs in the air fryer to see how it works, and then we'll let you guys know. So first thing we're going to do is turn on the air fryer, and it's going to be turned on to, I believe, 260 for like 16 minutes, but we're going to warm the air fryer up. It says to make sure you warm it up, so we're going to warm it up really quickly. So we're going to preheat it, and then we're going to come back and we're going to put them in, and we'll go from there. Okay, so the air fryer has already been preheated. So I put the 2 eggs in. So I put them in the air fryer. And I am going to turn the air fryer on like 260 for 15 minutes. And I'm going to press start. And I will be back. So they may have to sit in here a little bit because I'm going to go and take a bath, and then I'll come back. So they may be in there a little bit, but go ahead and start it. We'll see what happens.